In this video, I will going to show you on how to fix Roblox error 403. If you are new to the channel, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Now let's jump straight into the video. Roblox error code 403 usually occurs when the server is unable to authorize the user's request. This error can occur due to various reasons. First, check your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct login credentials for your Roblox account. Double check your username and password and try logging in again. Or you can try to disable your firewall and antivirus temporarily. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus can block the connection to the Roblox server, causing error code 403. Try disabling them temporarily and see if the error goes away. You can also try to clear your browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help in resolving the error code 403. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can try resetting your router or modem to resolve any connectivity issues. Finally, if none of these steps works, contact Roblox support for further assistance. They can provide you with specific instructions to resolve the error code 403. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roblox error code 403 and access the game without any issues. And that's it. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and thanks for watching!